students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to root of 1 minus x square plus y square minus x square y square. So first what we will do, we will take y square common in these two terms. So it will become dy by dx is equals to root of 1 minus x square plus y square common, and it will be 1 minus x square again. Now 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. So we can take 1 minus x square common again. So this will become dy by dx is equals to root of 1 minus x square common, and the remaining term will be 1 plus x square, 1 plus y square. Correct? Now both terms are separated. Now we can take all the same terms on the same side. So dy and y term this side, dx and x term on that side. So it will become dy by root of 1 plus y square and is equals to root of 1 minus x square dx. Now these are the specific integration pattern that we are remembering, right? So integration, now we will integrate on both the side, and integration of dy divided by root of 1 plus y square, it will become log of y plus root of 1 plus y square. Correct? Plus c, or we will take one constant on the same side. Okay, so this will be equals to integration of this also we remember as x by 2 root of 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a plus c. So this is our general solution of the given differential equation. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.